Hello everyone. Uh, Very good evening to all of you. This is me Tapas Kumar Pradhan, a student of the political science, and I would like to welcome to all of you to this session of my YouTube channel. As you know that we are in a running of the Odisha politics series, and this is going to be our last class of our Odisha politics. And in this class, we are going to cover the local government and party politics, whatever basically important thing from the exam point of the factual information. So we will try to cover few of the theory and also the question. So without delay, let's get start our discussion. So guys, you can see here the screen that there is a mention about the local government, okay, party politics, okay, today class, that today is like your 13 November 23, okay. So the political party and their creation, and in Odisha how they basically play a role, okay, and few of the important thing will also learn in this chart or table. Okay, so Utkal Congress was basically created in the year of 19 basically 69. Yes, guys, Utkal Congress was created 1969. Then Jano Congress was created in 1966. Okay, Jano Congress was created 1966. Odisha Ganatantra Parishad was created in 2000. Okay, Odisha Ganatantra Parishad was created 2000. Swatantra Party was created on 4th June 1959. Swatantra Party is itself important because it is a alternatives perspectives. It has the alternative perspectives to the idea of Nehruvian basically the nationalisms. Okay, so that is how it is important, and it was created in 4th June 1959. The important scholar related to the Swatantra Party is like C. Rajgopal Chari and Mino Mosani. Okay, so Mino Mosani and C. Rajgopal Chari are related to the Swatantra Party. So it was created 4th June 1959. Itself it was important. So you can get from here the statement based question. So it is important from the UGC NET and also the political science SSB Odisha also. Okay, so BJD was created, one of the important political parties right now ruling in Odisha. So it was created in 26 December 1997. So to remember this date and year, so 26 December 1997, the BJD was basically created. Yes guys, BJD was created 26 December 1997. And fourth coalition government with the BJD and BJP was basically take place on 5th March 2000. Yes guys, on 5th March 2000, the fourth coalition government between the BJD and BJP was created on 5th March 2000. So this is basically going to be important from the exam point of view. Then your first legislation from Grama Panchayat, it was take place in 1948, that Odisha Grama Panchayat Act. Okay, so 1948 there is a first legislation from the Grama Panchayat. So that is how in 1948 the Odisha Grama Panchayat Act basically take place. We already discussed that thing. Okay, Grama Nyayalaya Act, that is the 2nd October 2009. The Grama Nyayalaya Act basically created 2nd October 2009. So there are the two most factual information you have to remember, and it can be possible through by making some question or practice. Okay, because this is how the data. Okay, you have to be remember. But as you know that our video is not stop here. There are the few of important question, and you always get the question which is prepared by me, and it will be also helpful you. And this question, if you will read the theory of our note, then you can easily crack this question. So in front of you, like there is a match of the following question. So Utkal Congress, Jano Congress, Odisha Ganatantra Parishad, and Swatantra Party. Okay, so then you have to be match here. So here Swatantra Party 1959, as I already said to you. Then you are basically the Utkal Congress. Okay, Utkal Congress was basically created in 1969. Okay, Utkal Congress was created in 1969. Okay, Utkal Congress. Then your Jano Congress. So Jano Congress was created in 1966. Okay, so this is the 1966 Jano Congress. Okay, so Jano Congress was created in the year of 1966. Jano Congress. Okay, so this is how thing, and Odisha Ganatantra Parishad was created in the year of 2000. So do remember this factual information that Utkal Congress was created in the year of 1969, Jano Congress was created in 66, Odisha Ganatantra Parishad was created 2000, and Swatantra Party was created 1959. You can get here from the chronology based question. Okay, So this is how the thing. Then next question in front of you, like the BJD was basically created on 25th December 1997. First statement. Second statement talk about fourth coalition government between the BJD and BJP took place on 5th March 2000. So first statement, is it correct? BJD and created on 25th December 1997. No, it is wrong, because it is not 25th December. It is the 26th December. So it is the 26th December 1997 the BJD was basically created. That's why this statement is wrong itself, as I already studied. Okay, the second statement is talk about that fourth coalition government between the BJD BJP took place on 5th March 2000. Yes guys, fourth coalition government where BJD BJP took place basically on 5th March, okay, 2000. The fourth coalition government between the BJD BJP basically take place on 5th March 2000. Okay, so do you remember that thing is going to be important from exam point of view. Then next question, when did the first legislation of a Grama Panchayat took place? So first legislation all about the Grama Panchayat took place 1947, 48, 49, 50. So it is guys 1947, sorry 48. The first legislation of Grama Panchayat was take place 1948. So this is going to be important from the exam point of view. Then next question in the form of statement, like question number 4, Grama Nyaya Act came to place in 1948. Second statement talk about first legislation of the Grama Panchayat basically in Odisha on 2nd October came to picture on 2nd October 2009. So guys, its answer is going to be both are incorrect. As you can see, Grama Nyaya Act, as I said to you, that Grama Nyaya Act was basically came to place in Odisha, that is the 2nd October 2009. Okay, 2nd October 2009, that is the Grama Nyaya Act. Okay, and first legislation of Grama Panchayat was basically came to in Odisha, that is how 1948. So both things are basically inversely written, and it both is incorrect. Okay, if they ask the first legislation about Grama Panchayat 1948, but Grama Nyaya Act, it is all about 2nd October 2009. Yes guys, 2nd October 2009. So this is how the both statement is incorrect here. So you have to remember the things. Then another question, the a wonderful question which is basically prepared by me, that consider the following statement. Okay, there is a 4 statement and you have to choose the what is correct. Royal Commissions basically on decentralization constitute on 1907. Okay, Royal Commission on the decentralization. Okay, decentralization constitution 1907. Khanna Committee was appointed by the R.N. Singhdev in 1967 about the corruption. Khanna Committee, R.N. Singhdev, 1967 about the corruption. Nabin Patnaik took charge as a CM of Odisha on 5th March 2000. Nabin Patnaik took the charge of the CM of Odisha on 5th March 2000. The first times. Okay, and community development program was constituted on 2nd October 2009. Sorry, 1959. Okay, so 1959. So guys, what is the correct? So all above that is correct. So here nothing is wrong. So Royal Commission, do remember, the sake of understanding, 1907. Khanna Committee was basically created in 67 under R.N. Singhdev for the corruption, checking the corruptions or review the corruptions activity in the Odisha. Okay, Khanna Committee, one of the first committee considered it is the regarding the corruptions. Okay, Khanna Committee by the R.N. Singhdev. Nabin Patnaik took as a charge of the CM of Odisha. That should we remember, that on 5th March 2000, Nabin Patnaik for first time take the charges. Okay, 5th March 2000. Then Community Development Program was basically constituted on basically October 2nd 1952, October 2nd 1952. Basically the Community Development Program was constituted. Okay, and for review this Community Development Program, there is a Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. Rai Mehta Committee was created in 1957. So this is all about this information. I hope it is clear to you. And this is all about from my side. This is class of the Odisha politics, party politics. And from this onwards, we are not going taking any theory classes. We will try to focus only the question, the previous year question, and also the MCQ, because now exam is so near. So this is how all about the class of the Odisha politics, political party. We discuss all the thing, legislative, executive, judiciary. Then your basically the all important political party, Grama Panchayat, the different thing cover this in series of the 5 classes of the Odisha politics. I hope it is helpful to you, and do provide the one of the homework question which I would like to give you, that when the basically the timeline, so timeline of BJD and BJP coalitions took place in between. Okay, so which is the timeline or the year between the BJD BJP coalition took place? So already we discussed that thing. Do provide your answer in comment section. Thank you guys, have a nice day, and do share with your friend and do subscribe if you like my effort. Thank you, have a nice day.